Today we're in Key West, Florida. Welcome to episode 35 of our vlog from Key West, Florida. We were down there for Labor Day week of 2020, kind of right in the height of the pandemic. Everybody was supposed to be walking around wearing masks, but we did our best to, we're outdoors, but the police actually got onto us once or twice for walking around outdoors without our mask on. So fun times in 2020. We're right in the middle of the food tour. We are on our way over to Kermit's Key West Key Lime shop.
Would you guys like the pie or the stick?
Pie for me.
Pie for me.
Two pies.
All right. I'll be right back, man. Yeah. There you go. Sticking it out.
Try one of those too. Key lime. Key lime shop. Key West Key Lime shop.
I don't either. I called them that day and I said, every time I complain about it in the end of September, I want you to remind me how I feel.
Yeah, I hear that. I hear it night and day. Hey, thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you. So how'd you get from New York to down to Florida State?
Well, I play basketball, so I've been recruited all across the country.
Okay.
And so as I was going from place to place, the one last place I worked for Florida was University of Kentucky. And out over to Florida State. And I fell in love with the university, the architecture, everything about it was so beautiful and super diverse. And coming from New York City, that was the only place that was as diverse as New York, believe it or not, even me in Tallahassee.
Yeah, I know that.
So I left Tallahassee, visiting my friends, and then I went to New Orleans for Mardi Gras. Partying so much, that party I think made me decide to go to Florida State. And I went to Florida State, and I mean, it was the most blessed thing that I could ever do. The education was amazing, and it's the law-making city of Florida, so I got to really network with a lot of politicians and really get to learn a lot about the law. And here I am. I mean, it was a blessing because I'm so not into politics, but to be around a lot of legislators and really get to really understand the laws and how they become governed and stuff like that, it was a very educational moment of my life. But you're in a cubicle all day. You couldn't do it, you know? Had no windows, had no nothing. I was like, forget that. And then I just went into business. And I graduated business degree in hospitality. And so that's what I'm doing. It's really nice. Where inside of people go? I can't do. So where we're headed to right now, how you doing? Where we're headed to right now is I'm going to take you guys on our very last stop of the tour today. It's at the seafood market. You guys want to come over here in the tree? I'm going to take you guys to the seafood market. The significance about this seafood market is that, number one, you guys come right over here. I do this all day. I'm taking you to a place that I think is absolutely phenomenal because I really want to show you some of Key West's prideful species of fish.